Hi, and welcome back to 959 Phonics. For the lesson today, you will need the worksheet for the lesson. You will need a pencil and a pen, two things that write in two different colors. If you don't have the worksheet for the lesson, you can use a blank piece of paper. You will also need a pair of scissors. So today we're going to start with highlight the rhyme. If you have the worksheet, look up in the left-hand corner and you'll see highlight the rhyme with a pen. If you don't have the worksheet, number your paper from 1 to 5. Today we're going to use some magic rhymes to help us spell some words. And when you get to the magic rhyme part, you're going to write that part in pen or marker. Everything else you'll write in pencil or something in a different color. Today we're going to be adding endings to some of our long vowel patterns, and we're going to be thinking about if we're going to keep the silent E or get rid of the silent E. So think about that before you write each one. The first word that I want us to write is the word glided. The eagle glided across the sky. Glided has an ending. Do you know what it is? It's ED. And since the ending starts with a vowel, E, we're going to drop the silent E and add ED. So let's go ahead and write it. Glided. First part in pencil, GL. The magic rhyme in marker or pen, ID, glided. Ending in pencil, ED. Now let's write the word glides. The eagle glides across the sky. What's the ending on glides? It's an S. Because the ending starts with a consonant, we won't drop the silent E. Go ahead and leave it in there. Glides, first part. Magic rhyme in marker, IDE, and the ending glides, S. Good. Now we're going to write the word skates. The boy got skates for his birthday. What's the ending on skates? It's an S because the ending starts with a consonant. Do I keep the silent E or get rid of it? I keep it. So let's go ahead and spell skates. First part in pencil, sk, S-K. Magic rhyme in marker or pen, A-T-E. And then the ending in pencil, skates, S. Now let's write skating. I went skating with my friends. What's the ending on skating? I-N-G. Because the ending starts with a vowel, I'm going to drop the E and add I-N-G. Let's write skating. First part, sk, in pencil. Magic rhyme, A-T, and in pencil the ending, I-N-G. Let's write the word shaming. The mother was shaming her child. What's the ending? I-N-G. And since the ending starts with a vowel, we're going to drop the E and add I-N-G. Shh. S-H in pencil. Magic rhyme, make it pop. A-M and the ending, I-N-G. So now look at your paper. Look at those 5 words that you've written. Do you notice that whenever you add an ending that starts with a vowel, like ing or er or ed, you're going to drop the silent E and add the ending. When you add an ending that starts with a consonant like S or ly, you will keep the E in there and then add the ending. The next thing we're going to do today is we're going to make a big word, just one big word. So these are the letters that you'll need to make this big word. If you don't have these letter cards cut out already from the bottom of your worksheet, pause the video and cut them out. If you don't have the worksheet, go ahead and make your letter cards and then come right back here to make the big word. The big word that we're going to make today is the word distraction. Let's clap. Don't get distracted. Don't have a distraction. Let's clap the word distraction. Distraction. Let's pull down the letters to spell distraction. the wrong letter. Shun. Whoa, that's a long one. Just barely fits on my page. Go ahead and check it. Let's break the word distraction. Let's say the parts. Distraction. This word has a prefix, dis, and a suffix, shun. Shun is a tricky one because that is not how you would expect it to look. You hear shun and you see T-I-O-N. Anytime you see T-I-O-N at the end of a word, you're going to know that that says shun. So let's spell some other words that have that shun at the end of them. Go to the part of your worksheet that says spell the word. If you don't have the worksheet, you can write these words anywhere on a blank sheet of paper. Let's spell the word vacation. Let's clap it first. Vacation. So I'm going to do the first part. And then shun. Do you remember how shun is spelled? T-I-O-N. Check it. Let's spell the word nation. Let's clap it. Nation. Go ahead and write it. There's that ending, shun. What word have you written? Nation. Let's do one more, pollution. Clap it. Pollution. And go ahead and write pollution. And then it has that shun at the end. Check it. So when you see this T-I-O-N at the end of a word, you're going to know that is the suffix that says shun. Now that you've finished your 9 minutes and 59 seconds or less of phonics, you have lots of time to go off and read independently and write independently. And as you're doing that, look and see if you see any words that have this T-I-O-N ending that says shun. Take your paper and show it to an adult. Read these long, big words that you wrote today and explain to them that T-I-O-N says shun. I will see you next time in 9:59 phonics.